Hello my dear little ones, welcome back to our EVS class. How was your Onam holidays? Did you enjoy well? Okay, very good. Shall we start our today's class? Okay, now we are discussing our third chapter, Water, the Elixir of Life. What we discussed in our last class? Yes, we discussed about water purification method, three-ported sieve. Dear children, shall I ask you a question? Okay. What are the things that we needed to make a three-ported sieve? Yes, very good. 3 earthen pots, gravel, sand, burnt coconut shell, a vessel, muddy water and rope. How many of you did this experiment in your home? Okay, very good. Today also we are going to study about a purification method of drinking water, that is adding bleaching powder. Okay, so let's see how we can purify drinking water by adding bleaching powder. For this process, first we have to take some water in a bucket. Then take another bucket and add 3 or 4 spoons of bleaching powder into it. Add some water into the bleaching powder and stir it well. Then add 3 or 4 cups of water into the bleaching powder. After that, add this bleaching powdered water into the well water and mix it well with the well water. So, this is the way of adding bleaching powder to the well water. Okay children, did you understand? Now, we are moving on to our last topic in this chapter. There is so much water in our earth, right? Does we use seawater for drinking? Why don't we use seawater for drinking purpose? Yes, we all know that seawater is very salty, so we do not use seawater for drinking purpose. In our previous class, we discussed about the sources of water, right? In nowadays, most of our water sources are being polluted due to human activities. Dear children, do you know in what are the ways water gets polluted? We the human beings dumping waste into water bodies, flowing industrial waste into water bodies, washing of vehicles and animals in water bodies, etc. are some of the causes of water pollution. We all know that water is one of the major sources of our life. So, it is our duty to conserve water, then only we can conserve our life. Okay, my dear children, so we finished our third chapter, What are the Elixir of Life? In this chapter, we studied more about water, right? We discussed about water sources, uses of water, and the water purification methods like three-ported sieve and by adding bleaching powder. I hope all of you understand the whole chapter very well. Okay, my dear children, it's time for winding up our today's class. See you in the next video. Thank you.